morning children, how are you today? Today I will discuss in maths. So today my topic is rupees and paisa. Okay student? So I hope last video part 1 you had seen. But student, today I will discuss part 2 video. So our chapter last Monday half I had explained, but today I will discuss part 2 video. So start this chapter. Let's start. Student, here I will discuss regarding money. So how many rupees, total amount, how many paise. Okay. So Monu prepared the following cash memo. Your cash memos are given. Check the cash memos and correct them if you find a mistake. Okay. So here find mistakes. First, cash memo 1, self-service store. Cash memo 2, self-service store. Cash memo 3, self-service store. Okay, item rate per item rupees and paise. As it is in cash memo 2 and as it is in cash memo 3. But item here different. Ball, pencils and toffees. Toy car, glass milk, notebooks. Toy car, pencils, toffees and 1 biscuit. Okay. So here 1 ball, 3 pencils, 5 toffees, 1 toy car, 3 glass milks, 4 notebooks, 1 toy car, 3 pencils, 7 toffees and 1 biscuits. Okay. So here 1 ball, rate per item 7 rupees. Okay, 7 per item rupees. So 1 ball is equal to 7 rupees. So total 7 rupees. 3 pencils. So per 1 pencil is equal to 2.50. So 3 pencil is equal to 3 pencil means 3 2 ja 6. Okay, and 50 paisa. So 50 plus 50, 100. But here 3. So 75. Okay. 250, 2.50 plus 2.50 plus 2.50. So 0 0 0. Okay. 5 5 5. 15. 5 1 2 2 3. 3 plus below 4. 7. So 750 correct. Okay. 5 toffees per item not given. Total amount 2.50. 2 rupees 50 paisa. So total here 1 rupees means 0 0. Here 1 8. 8 7 15 to 17. Correct. Total correct here. Next cash memo 2. 1 toy car 15 rupees 00 paise. 3 glass milk. Here only 1. So as it is 15 rupees. Okay. 3 glass milk 3.50. 1 glass milk is equal to 3.50 rupees. Therefore total 3 glass of milk. So 3 3s are 9 and 50, 50 and 50. So 350 plus 350 plus 350. Okay. 0 0 0 5 5 5. So 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 5 15. So here mistake here student. 3 glass milk. Okay. Here we can find here mistake. 4 notebooks, 5 rupees per notebook. So total 4 notebook, 5 4s are 20 rupees, but here given 20.50, 20 rupees and 50 paisa. So that is also here mistake is given. Okay. Now cash memo 3. One toy car 6.50, 6 rupees 50 paise. Okay. 3 pencils 250 means 750. Correct. 3 pencils means here 3 pencils 250, 750, here 250, 750. Then 7 toffees. So 1 toffee 50 paisa. So 7. So first 50 plus 50, 1 rupees. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. So 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 3 rupees and 50 paisa. So 3.50 correct. 1 mistake. 4 rupees 50 paisa correct. Total amount of bill 50, 50, 50 and 50 means 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. 5 plus 5 10 plus 5 15 plus 20. So here 20 0, but here given 5, number 5. So total amount also wrong. So student, improve in cash memo 1, 2 and 3. Add the following. Here some add the following is given, subtract the following is given. But student, I will explain my new video, exercise video. I will explain this subtract and add. But here orally I will explain 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 0, 5, point below point. So put point 100 place value before. 2 plus 3, 5, 1 plus 1, 2 rupees. Okay. 0, 5 plus 0, 5 point. 5 plus 4, 9, 5 plus 1, 6. 0, 0 plus 5, 5.1. 3 plus 3, 6. Here subtract 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. Put point here. 5 minus 1, 4. 2 minus 1, 1. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 3 minus 2, 1. Here 0 minus 6. So 6 is bigger than 0. So put cut 0 and take borrow 10. 10 minus 6, 4. Then cut here, less one number. So here 0. Put 0 here. Okay. Now here 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 0, 0. Put point. 9 minus 7, 2 and 1. Here not given number. So here 0 number. So 1 minus 0. So answer 0. You have 30 rupees with you. Find out how much money will be left after buying the following items. 1 ball, 1 doll and 1 toy giraffe. Total cost and money left. Okay. 2 bananas, 1 pack of biscuits and 2 glasses of lemon juice. Total cost, money left. Here 3 notebooks, 2 pencils and 2 erasers. Total cost and money left. So student, write given table. Okay, you can solve. Depends on this table. So solve student yourself. Now new point practice time. Here A, 3 friends wanted to buy a ticket, bat and ball. Bina had rupees 48.50 means 48 rupees 50 paise. Raman had rupees 55.50 and Venu had rupees 38. How much money did they have in all? So add all amount 48.50, 55.50, 38.00. So you can add in your notebook. First Bina had rupees, Raman had rupees, and Venu had rupees. Then total plus all amount write correct. Okay. So here sums are given. So solve yourself in your maths notebook. Now read Mumbai News. Here children freed from factory. 10 young children working in a Bengal factory were set free today. Here 10 young children working in Bengal factory were set free today. A new news reporter and the police found them in a sad condition. Why, student? Because small age, that is a low in our country. The factory made the children work very hard. It paid them only rupees 80 a day. Only 80 rupees per day. The children are happy to go back to their homes in their village. They will go to a special school so that they can learn to study like other children their age. So here all children are happy. By making children work, the factory tries to save money. The police will now take action. Here our country, India, low child labor. Okay. Let us see how much money the factory tries to save. Money one older worker should get rupees 513 per day. Money one child is paid rupees 80. So on one person the factory saves rupees 513 minus 80, 433 rupees. Factory saves the money. On 10 persons the factory saves. So 433 into 10. 4,330 rupees saved this factory. If your area are there shops or factories where young children are made to work, talk to some of these children. How much are they paid there? So discuss in your society any shop, any other work, any children. Okay, so talk with they paid there. Now here New Jalpaiguri. Okay, here PDF in not proper given, but read from your textbook. New Mal 57 kilometer, then 175 kilometer, Alipur Dor, as it is read from your textbook. जैसे Gulpura here 366 kilometer and last 495 kilometer Guwahati. Okay. So train journey. This train goes from New Jalpaiguri, okay, first station to Guwahati. Last station. On its way, it stopped at New Mal, Alipurdor and Golpara stations. The cost of a rail ticket to different station is given in the table. Here ticket. So here distance from New Jalpaiguri means in kilometer 57. So 50 Jalpaiguri to New Mal 57 kilometers. So rupees 12 rupees 50 paisa means 12.50 rupees. Then Jalpaiguri to Alipurduar 175 kilometers 28 rupees, and Jalpaiguri 366 kilometers Goalpar 49.50 rupees. So 495 kilometer. Jalpaiguri to Guwahati 62 rupees 50 paisa. Okay. Now find the distance from New Mall to Guwahati. So put here table, see first table and fill in the blanks yourself. Okay. Now find the cost of tickets. So here Bhupen is going from New Jalpaiguri to Alipurduar. What is the cost of this ticket? So I explain only one. Here 28 rupees. Okay, Bhupen only 28 rupees. So solve these sums. Okay, depends on table, basis on tables. Okay. Then next, if we got our train tickets. See student, this picture. Children are happy. Now student, end of this chapter, one activity is given, a page to cut out. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Cut out, given say, so 5 pieces 10 gram. 5 pieces we got 10 gram, 7 pieces 10 gram, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Cut these tiles and paste on a card. Make as many copies as you want and color the floor. Okay. Cut this shape and you can paste in your notebook and color the floor. This time student. Next here some rupees are given. 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20, 500, 50 and 100. You can cut this out and use as play money. Okay. So you can play, but children bank. Okay. Dummy or duplicate rupees you can play money. Okay. Cut pieces. So play money here, play money, play money, play money means children bank. Okay student. So here our chapter is completed. Read from your textbook again this all chapter. Then practice given word problem, add, subtract from your textbook, and I will send another homework. I hope do complete homework, and I will send new video the next Monday. Then the next Monday I will explain this chapter related exercise.